So here I'm telling you about graphing quadratic equation. Graphing quadratic equation. When you graph a quadratic equation, you get the parabola. Okay. Now to get parabola, just note down these three steps. That first you need to find vertex of parabola, that is h and k. Second, find x intercept. By making equation equal to 0. Third step, find y-intercept. That is, in most cases, it is your C only. Okay. So the general format of the quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c. Okay. Now let's take an example. Question 1. X square plus 6x minus 7 equal to y. You have to graph the parabola for this. The first step, as I told you, that find the vertex. The vertex is h equal to minus b over 2a. So minus b is minus 6 over 2. A is the coefficient of x square, that is 1. So you get negative 3. K is, you have to plug in this, because h comma k, you can say this is the x coordinate and this is the y coordinate. Okay, so you just plug in k in y and h in x. So y into k, then a x square, sorry, the equation is x square. So you got negative 3 square plus 6 negative 3 minus 7. So the k value is 9 minus 18 minus 7, that gives you minus 16. Okay, so the vertex coordinate, you got it as negative 3 and negative 16. Fine. Now next, in second step, you find x intercept by making equation equal to 0. Now find the factors. X, it can have 7 and negative 1, right? So 7 minus 1, you get 6. So the factors, you got it as x plus 7, x minus 1 equal to 0. So the x values are x negative 7 and 1. Okay, so this is the x intercept. That means the coordinate is minus 7 0 and 1 0. Okay, the third step is that you need to find y-intercept. Y-intercept is the c value, that is negative 7. Okay, so now from these three, what I got vertex as negative 3, negative 16. I got x intercept that is negative 7 0 and 1 0, and y-intercept you got it as 0 and -7. So if you combine all three, you get these. Now if you have to draw the parabola, so just check -3, so that means here you got 1 2 3 and -16, so the vertex will be somewhere here. This is my point V. Then x-intercept, so -7, this is -3, so -3 4 5 6 7, this is -7, and so one point I got -7 and 0, and another point I have is 1, so this is 1 0. So basically I have to join these 3 points, but where is my y-intercept? It is -7, so that is -7 is somewhere here. So I got -7 comma, oh sorry, it's 0 0 and -7, that is y-intercept. Now just join these points and you get your parabola. Okay, so we are done with this example.